All right, guys. Here's the video for my Philadelphia Phillies Charlie Brown. Thank you, thank you, three guys for filling that up. It was Chad and Derek and Bill. I think you guys took all the spots, so appreciate that. Thank you. We'll check the time here. It's January 13th at 10:24 a.m. We'll go over to the raffle and type live, and we've got January 13th at 10:24 a.m. We get our list here of 21 names. We have Derek on the bottom and Chad on top. 21 entries, January 13th at 10:24 a.m. We're going to roll 2 dice. Has to be 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last and final. Here we go. It is Derek in spot 7 is your winner. So, Derek, please get with me to collect your Charlie Brown. There's our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, January 13th at 10:24 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.